The best car here, in my opinion, 1994 Cadillac Deville. It has 197,000 miles, but boy, it sure doesn't look like it on the outside. This will have the 4.9, the good V8. No North Star here. Got good looking Michelin rubber on it. Man, what a good looking car, and what a good looking interior. Holy cow, this thing looks good. For the miles, it looks good. Oh man, this is a good looking car. Let's see if she starts. We'll take her for a little ride. Last couple of old Cadillacs I've tried to drive, I've had no luck. Oh, this one starts right up. Oh yeah. Man, this car is clean. Oh, it is clean. No warning lights on. It runs great. This is a good looking old car. Do have a rattle coming underneath. Sounds like an exhaust shield. I got a guy in front of me that doesn't know what he wants to do. Man, this thing is sweet. Gotta adjust the seat a little bit. Man, this is a nice car. We're going around here, buddy. Man, what a sweet driving old boat. Only thing is, I don't think we have air conditioning, which sucks. Because this thing is clean as a pin. And runs terrific. Solid over the bumps. Man, how nice. Got a cop here. Let me lower my camera. Sometimes they're funny about you filming, and I think she was trying to get on to the guy driving the orange Mustang. He was driving way too fast. Okay, let's do a little walk around here. Doesn't have a door ding or a scratch. This thing is minty fresh, man. God, crazy. I know this navy blue's probably not showing up too well, but I mean, look at this, the headliner. It's obvious this thing was garage kept. A little bit of a rattle coming from the exhaust down there. What a phenomenal old car. Amazing. The air conditioner might work with the recharge. Who knows? Transmission and everything feels good. We'll just do a little soft launch in this one. No need in flooring an old car like this. She rolls out pretty good. Sweet, sweet, sweet. What a sweet old car. It's the only way to travel is Cadillac style. this is I bet this is a $1,200-$1,500 car tomorrow. If it goes for under 1,000, I'd be interested in it, and only because I'd need to try and sort this AC out. I'm not sure if the compressor's working or not, but I don't think so. Anyway, 94 Cadillac sedan Deville, 197,000 miles. Just a cream puff of a Cadillac, baby. No wear on the interior whatsoever, and the outside is extremely nice as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you.